Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I'm gonna do is give you a little overview of this here travel pillow or blanket and what makes it different than maybe something like this from a comparison standpoint. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you give a little overview? Can you give a little breakdown of our here travel pillow or blanket and what makes it different? But no way whatsoever but this being provided to me a Fixer's review because I'm just here to keep it real. Now, first and foremost, right out the gate from a pillow standpoint, this is quite soft. You kind of see this velvety, soft feeling to it. Very, very nice. I was, even my kids were like, Dad, can I have that pillow? For the car or for traveling or just anywhere. Actually pretty nice. I will give shout outs to the company. It's definitely on the soft, it's almost like fur, but it's not. It's just like it's like a velvet, but it's definitely like a soft fur feel to it. It does come with a clip here, so if you're hanging it from a storage standpoint or you're traveling, and you need to hook it onto something to make sure it doesn't get missing, that's convenient. What makes it very different though, very different, is when you have this and you're going through, let's just say, an airport or you have your luggage, this slips. There's this built-in, because you can't even really see it, but it has this built-in little space right here that slides over the handle of your luggage. Very convenient. I can't tell you how many times I've been in the airport and somebody's flagged me down and said, hey, your headrest pillow thingy, whatever these are gonna call, was on the floor behind me in the airport, because things like these that have like these little clips, they're not that industrial. This works great for its intended purpose, but it's easy to lose. You're like, no, I don't need a pillow, but I would love a blanket. Well, you have your very soft, I don't know what this is made out of. I believe this is like an ultra soft flannel material. It is, you can see there, it's extremely soft. And from a size standpoint, I'll break it out for you. You're right at about 44 inches one way and about 6 feet, this way. Very, very soft. This says made out of 100% polyester. It's like rabbit fur. If you've felt like very soft rabbit fur, not like chinchilla, maybe close, but extremely soft. And what's really cool about it, you don't have to have this dry cleaned. You can wash this in the old washing machine. And so you have your now empty sack. Again, this is a storage device for this. Really serves two purposes. It's like pretty luxurious. So if you're in a situation where you would like to have the convenience of, just in case, you'd like to have the convenience of a blanket, but also a pillow, whichever you'd want, and the nice convenience of being able to wash it. It's not gonna go missing because it's strategically designed to go with your travel suitcase. This, my friends, might just be the travel pillow and blanket for you. Hopefully that helps. We'll talk to you soon.